Welcome to episode 32 of Daily Flip. Hope you've had a great week so far. Today being Friday, I'm closing up shop right now. Normally I would be leaving in a mad dash for date night, but we actually swapped nights. Our babysitter couldn't do tonight. We have a recurring babysitter that does every Friday, but she couldn't do it, so we took date night last night. So we're actually about to take the kids out. We're gonna do supper. Trying to find Easter outfits. So with this coming Sunday being Easter, trying to find, I don't know, for me, I don't care, but apparently it's a thing. So we have to have Easter outfits for the kids. And my wife is looking for something as well. So we're going to do that. But I had a great week this week. We actually sold 2 vehicles. Both were pretty decent profits. I actually bought a vehicle today to sell to a friend of mine, actually a friend's son. A guy I play basketball with in the mornings. We played this morning from 5:30 to 7. So a really good guy, actually a really good ball player. His son is in the military. He is coming up from Charleston, and he's leaving out Tuesday or Wednesday, driving here from North Carolina all the way over to San Diego, California. So no pressure, right? You got to buy a very dependable vehicle, and luckily we were able to find a really nice 2016 Ford Fusion for him. So we're going to get that detailed up tomorrow and have it ready for him to take off Monday, because I have to sell it Monday because I am leaving Tuesday to go to Pennsylvania. We're doing Pennsylvania from Tuesday through Friday. So really looking forward to this trip. I'm taking the kids. Actually going with my grandparents and my mom, 2 sisters, I think one of my aunts. It's going to be a big trip. It was initially just going to be us and my grandparents because they know some Amish people up there, and it's really cool to sit around and just hang out with some Amish people at their house. So we're going to be doing that, but then other people joined in, so it's a big thing now. So looking forward to that. Leaving out Tuesday morning, I think is what we're doing. So maybe we'll do some video up there. They don't like you to take pictures of them, but maybe if they're not around, I can show you a little bit of what's going on up there. Otherwise, tomorrow we've got a lot of stuff going on here, even though I'm not going to be here, I don't think. We've got to detail out this. Actually, let me show it to you real fast. My wife is waiting patiently in the car to leave, so she's not going to be happy when she sees me running out with my phone attached to a thing here. But this is the Fusion 2016, 60,000 miles. Interior is probably locked, I can't open it, but interior is in good shape. Nice tan with black accents. Otherwise, our front line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 6 cars. We added our Liberty, which is getting detailed tomorrow, so we have another car in the back we got at the auction. So this one, the Liberty, needs detailed. This is getting detailed tomorrow. Otherwise, that's our main goal on Saturdays, really to get everything detailed out. That's a nice part about starting a dealership, which I suppose you really wouldn't have to have a dealership to do this, but subbing out the things that you don't necessarily enjoy doing. For me, I can do mechanical work. I just don't really like to. I can detail cars, and I still do, but it's not my favorite thing to do. My time is better spent buying, selling, interacting with customers, running a business, as opposed to vacuuming and doing these other things. That being said, I do that all the time. I turn wrenches, I vacuum, I do all of that. I mean, I sweep the floor, I do everything. I take the trash out. But on Saturdays, I have a guy that works 10 hours every single Saturday, and he can knock out a lot of the stuff that would slow me down during the week. He can do paperwork, he can interact with customers, so it's very helpful to have him here. The same way with, having a mechanic that works with me here. He is way smarter than me when it comes to the mechanics of cars. It would take me hours to figure out something that he knows in just 5 minutes. So it's very nice when people can operate in their strengths. So for me, the mechanical side isn't my strength. I can do it, but it's not the best thing that I'm best at. I'm not best at that, I guess what I'm trying to say. So if you can stick to your strengths, stick to what you're good at, that's when you're going to be most successful. So for you, if that is flipping cars, if that is this or that, stick to that thing that you know, stick to that thing that you can do. So that's been my day. We had a good week. If you guys had any big wins this week flipping, I'd love to hear about them. If you tell me about them in the comments below. In the Facebook group, we posted sometimes on Fridays, any big wins this week. So I'd love to hear about yours. If you had any big wins, anything in relation to flipping, I guess in general. I don't know, did your softball team win, or whatever. Otherwise, I am going to head out and go to the mall, which is I think what we're doing. We're gonna do supper. I'm starving. And I will see you guys on Monday, I guess I could probably follow up with this deal on the Fusion. And maybe next week we'll show you some pictures of some stuff in Pennsylvania. And if you guys have any questions, anything I can help you with, comment below and I will follow up later this evening.